Hi, welcome to Sloth School. The history-shaping day for today happened in around 2575 BCE. It's the conclusion of the construction of the Great Pyramid of Giza. The Great Pyramid is the biggest, obviously, and the oldest of pyramids that we see today. It's also the oldest of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, and it's the only one that still remains standing today. It is widely believed to be housing the tomb of King Khufu. King Khufu was remembered as an evil dictator. He had just 2 goals to achieve. Number 1 was to ensure the survival of his dynasty beyond his son Khephren. Number 2 was to ensure his own immortality by building this massive pyramid. Initially, it was 146.5 meters high, which was the tallest man-made structure in the world and remained that way for 3,800 years, which is the longest time period that any structure has been the tallest in the world. The pyramid that we see today is actually mainly the core structure. Initially, it was covered with casing stones. In total, there are around 2.3 million blocks of stone used, which is a bit of a logistical nightmare. Recent exploration of the narrow passages within the pyramid itself have suggested that the passageways are in line with Orion, so that the king's soul could travel to the stars. 2,000 years later, a Greek historian claimed that King Khufu had forced his daughter to work as a prostitute to raise funds for the pyramid. Now, I don't know about you, but that seems like an intriguing tactic to employ, seeing as he wanted to be remembered by this monument. But there you go, King Khufu was a bit of a strange character. Now, our general ignorance question of the day is, what is the driest place on Earth? A desert is technically defined as a place where it receives less than 10 inches of rain per year. Now, you might be thinking the Sahara Desert, and it is pretty dry. It only gets 25 millimeters of rain per year. However, technically, the answer is Antarctica. There are parts of Antarctica where it never rains. Behind Antarctica is the Atacama Desert in Chile, parts of which haven't seen rain for 400 years, and where the average rainfall is 0.1 millimeters. Interestingly enough, Antarctica is also the wettest and the windiest place in the world. So Antarctica is technically drier than the Sahara. But if I was a bit parched, I think I'd know where I'd go. Thank you for tuning into Sloth School. If you found it interesting, click like, subscribe for the next episode, and remember to share your learning in the comment section below. Class dismissed.